We are moving on along, guys. Welcome to episode 5 of our 6-part series on the Atomic Bear gun magnet. Now, in this episode, we're going to be mounting this magnet on a desk. So, let me go over some things that you're going to need for this installment. Okay, so you only need 4 items for the installment on the desk. And the first one being your Atomic Bear gun magnet, the 3M double-sided tape, rubbing alcohol, and a cleaning cloth. Super simple installment, guys. Let's go ahead, let's jump into it, and let's mount this thing on a desk. Okay, so I have this old desk in a storage unit, and I thought it would be perfect to come out here, set it up real quick, and install this magnet underneath it. So, the first thing that we're going to do is, remember your double-sided 3M tape? We're going to take that, and we're going to stick it right here underneath this desk. So, let me go ahead, let's crawl under here, and let's do that. So, what you're going to want to do is get you a cloth and wipe away where you're going to be placing that magnet. Alright, so you're going to take your yellow part off of your sticker, and on the back side of your magnet, go ahead and place it just like so. Now, make sure that you do not remove this white part yet, because that's going to be the side that you're going to stick. So let's go back under here. Let's get ready for the mount. So now that we're back under the desk, you can actually line it up exactly where you want it. Now, go ahead, peel that sticker, and then place your magnet like so. Now, you want to keep pressure on it and just kind of push all around the magnet to make sure that it has a good solid stick right there. Now, that is stuck on there nicely. So, let's grab a firearm real quick and let's put it to the test. Okay, so I know when you're in a normal office type environment, you're going to have a computer here or something that's obscuring your vision a little bit. However, we have the magnet fully installed underneath this desk with a firearm on it. So, let's just say we see a threat. I'm still working, I can reach under my desk. My hand is fully all grasped against the firearm right now. Pull, do what I have to do, and then I can easily remount it right here. So again, pull, shoot, and then reattach right there. Continue doing your work. So right now, that is how you install this magnet on a wooden desk, and so far this thing is holding up just fine. There you have it, a super simple installment for a desk. Now, if you're going to be wanting to use a drill or the screws with the magnet for your desk, make sure that you go check out episode 2 where we mount it underneath a kitchen table. Well, take that same concept and apply it on the desk, and bam, that is all it takes. So make sure that you check out episode 6 where we're going to install this thing in a car, mount our guns in the car, drive around. So make sure that you check that out, and I will see you guys in the next one.